This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Phillip Pierce. Whether you need a low-maintenance yard or are ready to play in the dirt, this house will fit your needs. Sitting on a fairly level lot at the 11th tee of Coronado Golf Course, this 3-bedroom/2.5-bathroom home has an office, wet bar, and more. Sit in the shade of the atrium just outside the front door. Enjoy the excitement of the golf course from the back deck or side patio. This Fabulosa home is, in a nutshell, fabulous. Estate sale will be arranged upon accepted contract. Agent see remarks for more information. Review the details below or contact Phillip Pierce at 501-762-6388.